Hello students, this is Arveena Ali, Faculty of Mount Litra, Z School, Jhansi. Children of class 3, I am going to explain you how to do your English grammar notebook work of chapter number 2, that is singular and plural noun. Children, in lecture number 1, I have already explained you the rules how to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Now, we are going to do some exercises in the notebook in lecture number 2. Now, children, sharpen your pencil, bring your eraser and scale, and now let's get started. Now, children, open your English grammar notebook, open the index page, write serial number 3, then date, that is 8/6/20, and then write the topic, that is chapter number 2, singular and the plural nouns. Open the fresh new page in your notebook. Write the date on the left side on the top, that is 8/6/20. Then on the first line write the chapter number 2. On the second line write the name of the chapter, singular and the plural nouns. Fourth line we'll start doing the exercises. Now we'll start with exercise number 1. Write the question, write the plural form of these nouns. Number 1 is puppy. Now we'll see, children, how we change singular noun to a plural noun. Children, as I've already explained you the rules how to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Now, spelling of puppy is P-U-P-P-Y. So here, before a Y, P is there and P is a consonant. So, we are going to remove Y and add IES to make it a plural form. Puppy will be puppies. P-U-P-P-I-E-S. So, puppy will be puppies. Children, number 2 is loaf, and we'll see how to change singular noun loaf into a plural noun. Children, number 2 is loaf. So children, as we already know, in singular noun, if a spelling ends with F, we are going to remove F and add VES to make it a plural form. So loaf will be LOAVES, loaves. 3 is mango. Children, in the spelling of mango, O is given. As I have already told you, when O has a consonant before, so we are going to add ES to make it a plural form. So, mango will be mangoes, MANGOES. Number 4 is thief. Now we'll see the plural form of thief. Children, in the spelling of thief, F is given. So as I have already told you, if F is coming in the singular noun, you are going to remove it to make it a plural noun. So thief will be THIE, and we are going to add VES in place of F to make it a plural noun. So thief will be thieves. 5 is church. We'll see how we change the singular noun church into a plural form. Now, number 5, church. Children, as you can see in the spelling of church, it is ending with CH. So, when a spelling is ending with CH, you are going to add ES at the last to make it a plural noun. So, church will be churches. Now, number 6 is fairy. As children, before a Y, a consonant is there. So, you are going to remove Y and add IES to make it a plural form. So, fairy will be fairies. So fairies is a plural form. So fairy will be fairies. Number 7 is party. Let's see the plural form. Children, in the spelling of party, again before a Y, T is given, and T is a consonant. So we are going to remove Y and we'll add IES to make it a plural noun. So party will be parties, TIES. The next is shelf. Children, when a spelling is ending with an F, so you are going to remove F and add VES to make it a plural noun. So shelf will be SHELVES, shelves. So the plural noun is shelves. The next is lady. Children, here also before a Y a consonant is given. So you are going to remove Y and add IES to make it a plural noun. So lady will be ladies. LADIES. Now the last one is knife. Children, when a spelling is ending with an FE, we are going to remove FE to make it a plural noun and we'll write KNIVES. It will be knives. Number 10 is knife. Knife will be knives. Children, now I have explained you how to do exercise number 1. So do it in your notebook. Children, exercise number 2. Change the nouns in color to its plural form. Number 1 is the ox pulled the cart. So children, over here singular noun is ox and cart. So the plural form of ox is oxen and cart is carts. So the answer will be the oxen pulled the carts. Number 2, the child is playing with a ball. So children, singular noun over here is child and ball. So the plural form of child is children and the plural form of ball is balls. So the answer is the children are playing with some balls. Now number 3, there is a mouse in the house. So singular noun over here is mouse and house. So we have to change it into a plural noun. So the plural noun of mouse will be mice and the plural noun of house will be houses. So the answer is there are some mice in the houses. Now number 4. The goose is swimming in the pond. Children, singular noun over here is goose and pond. So the plural of goose will be geese and the plural of pond will be ponds. So answer is the geese are swimming in the ponds. Now sentence number 5. The wolf attacked the sheep. So children, singular noun over here is wolf and sheep. So the plural of wolf will be wolves and the plural of sheep will be sheep. Children, next is homework time. Do exercise number 3 in the notebook. Children, exercise number 3 is complete these sentences with words from the box. Children, you have to make the help box in your notebook. In the help box, you are going to write the words that are in plural form: pajamas, glasses, clothes, and stairs. Number 1 is my grandfather cannot see very well. He needs a new pair of dash. Number 2, I wear dash in the night before I go to sleep. Number 3, Rajat ran down the dash and out of the door. Number 4, a washing machine is used to wash dash. Children, find the correct answer from the help box and fill in the blanks. Now, Note for dear parents, kindly help your ward to write this work in the notebook as you are the common medium between us and our dear students.